Hey guys, we are back today with another video. This is on the Boombox 2. I know this is an old product, but in 2026, if you still want to buy it, here's the unboxing and review. So this speaker has a very powerful sound, dual 4 inches woofers and 0.75 tweeters. It is a really loud speaker, 24 hours battery. It takes 6.5 hours to charge at maximum. It got the IPX7 waterproof JBL Partyboost. It got the Bluetooth 5.1. It is like 13 pounds, and that's kind of hit for the specs, guys. Let's go to the unboxing. So in 2026, this is still a really good speaker. So I guess that if you want to cheap out and don't want to buy the Boombox 4, you can just go for the Boombox 2 if it's on Facebook Marketplace or anywhere refurbished or used. Just go ahead, guys, I promise. So this is the unboxing. So in the box you got the speaker itself, you got the cables, the little papers to explain everything like every time. Here we got the charging cable for the Boombox 2. The Boombox 2 is pretty annoying because it's there's like a big power bank. It's like on the Boombox 3 and 4 they changed it, so it's less bulkier. But yeah, it doesn't really matter. I mean, you just put the charger somewhere in the house and you just plug it if you want to. So quick start guide. Not really useful because we already know how it works. The packaging is super nice, like usual with JBL. Super quality, super smooth. Look at this thing. I love the design on the Boombox 2. The problem on the Boombox 3 was the bass. It was pretty annoying, you know, less balance and everything. The Boombox 2 was really stable, like it's never like falling on the front of or on the back, you know. The Boombox 3, you just touch it, there's like wind and it's gonna fall off like on its back. It's pretty crazy. So Boombox 2, really good quality. You can see the big JBL logo on the side and pretty nice texture. It's moving for the bass. You got a Boombox 2 written on top. You got this flap at the back for the charging ports. I'm gonna show you later in the video. Yeah, so really good speaker. I've had it for like, I think it's been like 5 years, maybe 6 years. I also got a Boombox 3 that I'm supposed to make a video out of it. So look at this nice grip with the orange colors at the top, the old logo in the middle. I love it. Let's turn it on. Signature sound for JBL. So now it's looking for a connection. So if you just go on your iPhone, Bluetooth settings, and you just wait, it's gonna appear JBL Boombox 2. Let's go. It takes like 5 seconds, and there you go. There is a JBL portable app, and I think it's really important to download it because you can like do updates and everything, and you can like you got an equalizer on this thing. So let's download it, hop on it. Welcome. Sorry guys, this is in French, my bad. So accept everything, and there you go. You got your Boombox 2 with an update available. So let's update it. Just wait a couple of seconds. Let's go. Done. So here you can see I connect to my speaker. I got the equalizer with the bass, the highs, and the mids. There's a couple of options and things that you can do. And yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna show you like the speaker. This is under little details, really cool. Sides, the back. Here you got the flap. Let's open this. You got the charging port, USB port, service, you don't use it, and you got an auxiliary port. This is really nice because on the Boombox 3 and 4 you don't have this port anymore, so if you need an auxiliary port, buy this one. Okay, you heard me. But yeah, that's it for the buttons. There's like the connection between JBL speakers, minus, plus, play, Bluetooth, and turn on, turn off. So let's go for the sound test, guys.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Okay, so now the solo sound test is done. I'm just gonna connect both of my Boombox 2. I got two of these. Yeah, I know that's a little bit too much, but it's really nice. Here on the app you can see that you can connect them, and like there's different settings. So let's go for the double sound test.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just ask in comments, and thank you so much for being here. Leave a like and tell me what I did wrong if I did. Have a great day, guys.